Kitchen scales don't go viral. Nobody's posting an unboxing reel of their food scale on TikTok. But ask any serious home baker, meal prepper, or macro tracker what one tool changed their cooking most. And a reliable digital scale almost always makes the list. Etekcity has quietly become one of the most trusted names in this space. So let's break down whether it actually deserves that reputation. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a no-frills, precision-first digital scale built around a stainless steel platform, a backlit LED display, and a straightforward tare function. What sets it apart from cheaper competitors is its 4 high-precision sensors positioned in each corner of the platform, meaning wherever you place your ingredients, edge, center, or otherwise, you get a consistent, accurate reading every time. That matters more than most people realize, because off-center weighing is exactly where budget scales fail silently. The pros are genuinely impressive for the price. At around $18 on Amazon, it significantly undercuts competitors like the Joseph Switch Scale at $40 and the Smeg Contemporary Scale at $149. And it holds its own on accuracy. Testing over 4 weeks showed its 1-gram increment accuracy to be perfect for portion control and general cooking, reliably consistent across dozens of measurements. The tare function is a standout. Etekcity's tare precision is among the best in its class, allowing you to zero out a bowl and add multiple ingredients sequentially without any drift or error. Users also consistently praise the large, bright digital readout that stays visible, even with a bowl placed on the platform. A small but genuinely useful design choice. It's compact enough to store easily in a drawer, and certain models come with a removable stainless steel bowl for added convenience. Now, the cons. The most honest criticism is about ceiling, not floor. While the 1-gram accuracy is excellent for everyday cooking, it may not satisfy professional bakers who need sub-gram precision for delicate ingredients like yeast or leavening agents. The design has also drawn criticism for feeling clunky and dated compared to sleeker competitors. It won't win any awards for aesthetics, and the 2-button interface can feel confusing at first, particularly when trying to locate the tare function. On the smart scale models, some users note the absence of built-in calorie tracking as a limitation if nutrition analysis is a priority. Though Etekcity does offer a separate smart nutrition model with app connectivity for those who want that. Battery life is generally solid, but it runs on AAA batteries rather than USB-C charging on the base model, which some find inconvenient compared to newer competitors. Final verdict: the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is one of the best value purchases you can make for your kitchen, full stop. It's ideal for home cooks, bakers, dieters, fitness buffs tracking macros, and coffee enthusiasts who need precision. With a near-zero learning curve and durability, users report lasting 2+ years of daily use. If you're a professional pastry chef or need Bluetooth nutrition tracking built in, look at the premium models or Etekcity's own smart scale lineup. But for the vast majority of people who just want accurate, reliable, fuss-free measurements in the kitchen, this is a confident, easy yes. And at $18, the risk of being wrong is essentially zero.